family that says it has lived in Pakistan for decades, pays taxes, and even holds Pakistani passport be deported after its CNICs are blocked? That's the question now before the Peshawar High Court. The case involved Qaid-e-Azam, a businessman from Akora Khatak in Nowshera, and his wife and their 6 children. The family says they are Pakistani citizens, but their computerized national identity cards were blocked by Nadra during a verification process. They approached the court after they feared they could be deported. According to the petition, Qaid-e-Azam has business interest in both Pakistan and Dubai, and the family says it has long-standing roots in the country, regularly pays taxes, and that several relatives also hold valid Pakistani CNICs and passports. Nadra, however, says the identity cards were blocked because of verification concerns, and the authority told the court that notices had been issued, but the required verification process was not completed. The Peshawar High Court has now stopped any deportation action and directed Nadra to verify the family's documents and submit a report within 30 days. And the family has also been asked to appear before Nadra's Regional Verification Board by August 11. For now, the court has not decided whether the family is entitled to have its CNIC restored. That will depend on Nadra's verification report, which could determine the next stage of the case.
With an unprecedented 97% increase, the federal government has set the value of blood money, which is locally called Diyat, at more than 19 million rupees for the fiscal year of 2026 and 27. According to a notification issued on Tuesday, the Ministry of Finance has announced that the government has set the value of Diyat as required under the Pakistan Penal Code 1860. Diyat is compensation for murder payable by the offender to the heirs of the victim. The amount reflects its value of 30,360 grams of silver under subsection 2 of section 323 of the PPC. The notified value of blood money marks an increase of around 97% from the fiscal year of 2025 and 26, mainly because of an increase in the value of silver. Section 323 of the PPC requires that the court subject to the injunction of Islam as laid down in the Holy Quran and Sunnah, and keeping in view the financial position of the convict and the heirs of the victim. Fix the value of diyat, which should not be less than the value of 30,630 grams of silver. In July 2025, an amendment was proposed in the Senate seeking the substitute minimum blood money from 30,630 grams of silver to 2,000 grams of gold, or one-fourth of the asset held by the convict.